How to Transport a Motorcycle in a Pickup Truck Ultimate Guide. Transporting a motorcycle can be a daunting task, especially if you're doing it for the first time. Whether moving to a new city or heading to a rally with your bike, you need to know the right way to load and secure it in a pickup truck. This is where Cheap Motorcycle Shipping comes in. We are a professional transport company specializing in shipping motorcycles from one place to another. Transporting a motorcycle in a pickup truck requires proper equipment to ensure a safe and secure transport. At Cheap Motorcycle Shipping, we understand the importance of using the right equipment to protect your motorbike during transportation. Using the right equipment is crucial for ensuring the safe and secure transport of your motorcycle. At Cheap Motorcycle Shipping, we provide all the necessary equipment to transport your motorbike with ease and peace of mind. Our experienced and professional team knows how to use this equipment to ensure your motorbike arrives at its destination in the same condition it was loaded. Call us today at 888-230-9776.